In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect VR to TV Meta Quest 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up your Meta Quest 3 so it displays everything that you see on the headset on the TV itself. This method is going to work for both the Meta Quest 3 and the Meta Quest 2, so regardless of which model you have, you will be able to get them connected to any smart TV. So for the first method, to start, all that you have to do is make sure that both the TV and the Meta Quest 3 are on the same Wi-Fi network. So you need to go over to the network settings on both the Meta Quest 3 and your TV, regardless of the model, and connect it to the same Wi-Fi network. Once both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, so your TV and your Meta Quest 3 or 2, you will be able to get them set up. With this done, go over to your headset, go over to this taskbar or toolbar and choose the camera option. Now, you will be able to find cast. So the first option inside of the camera menu is going to be cast. And whenever you select cast, you will be able to cast from this headset. So as you can see, you can display whatever you see on the headset on any of these devices listed here. And you should be able to find TV. Usually the description will say Chromecast or something similar. However, not all smart TVs are going to have this capability. If yours does, then just choose it from the list over here. But if it doesn't, I'm going to show you an alternative method. So all that you can do instead of going over there is to go to this website. So if your smart TV is able to access a web browser, you can go to www.oculus.com/casting. Now you will see this message, start casting to this private link from your headset. Once again, all that you have to do now is go back inside of the camera option like I showed you, choose the first option again, cast, and then instead of selecting TV Chromecast, you will be able to choose computer. So this web browser that you opened on your TV will now act as a computer. And once again, you will be able to cast everything that you see on the Meta Quest over to the TV. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect VR to TV Meta Quest 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.